Today, a look at what is perhaps the best value in super automatic espresso machines.
It's an update to what's considered by many to be one of the easiest and most reliable super automatic espresso machines ever made.
Hi, Mark and Morgan here from Whole Latte Love, and we're going to be taking a look at the Gaggia Syncrony Logic RS.
So if you look at the online reviews, the common themes that come up are
excellence and reliability.
So Morgan, we've done videos on literally dozens of machines from all the top manufacturers. We've seen how technology has been integrated into those machines to give users unthinkable levels of control.
But does the technology get in the way of the process, and does it make the machines more difficult to use?
Well, if you believe in the KISS principle of keep it simple, stupid, and you want excellent espresso, cappuccino, lattes, and more at a great value, then this could be the machine for you.
So it's a simple time-tested machine that does what it does very well. So first, let's get into the big stuff. The Syncrony has two boilers, one boiler for brewing espresso and one for steaming milk. The RS in the name stands for rapid steam.
With the two boilers, there's no waiting for the machine to heat up to steam temperature to create milk froth for cappuccinos and lattes. And no cooling down a boiler after steaming before brewing another espresso like you have to on a single boiler machine.
That waiting is always frustrating on single boiler machines when you're making milk-based drinks, especially when you're making more than one.
The Syncrony has only 3 settings, each with its own knob for adjustment. No menus, no displays. In fact, you can change the settings without the machine even being turned on. There's a knob for coffee volume in your cup, one for grind setting, and one for coffee dose, and that's it.
Espresso brewing happens in the brew group, which is removable for easy cleaning by just rinsing once a week or so with cold water at the sink.
With the volume knob, you can adjust the amount dispensed in your cup from about ½ an ounce up to 6 ounces. So you can do everything from a ristretto up to a cafe crema. The big dots represent about 1 ounce, the smaller ones about ½ an ounce.
You'll use the dose knob located in the bean hopper for control over the amount of coffee used during the brew cycle. Go to the minus side for smaller brew volumes and to the plus side for larger.
So let's take a look at the Syncrony brewing a double shot using Lavazza Super Crema. The machine uses pre-infusion, briefly wetting the coffee before pressure brewing. For this extraction, the grinder is set to a 3 and the dose to +3. The volume knob is at the second big dot for 2 ounces. Total extraction time here was just over 20 seconds.
Also in the bean hopper is grind adjustment. The machine uses a large, high-quality conical burr grinder with 19 grind settings. This gives you very fine control to get the grind just right to match the type of bean or coffee you are brewing.
Something to keep in mind, what Gaggia's really done with this machine is rather putting money into fancy displays and computer controls, they put the money where it counts in a better grinder and other brewing components.
On the steam side of the machine, again you have a dedicated boiler so there's no waiting. The machine comes with an automatic milk frother, which creates a nice rich milk froth. Just place the pickup tube in milk and it does it all for you. You can also dispense hot water from the steam wand for Americanos, tea, and more.
So on a lot of super automatic machines, the milk froth tends to be a little on the cool side. Now, that's not the case with the Gaggia Syncrony. Gaggia has redesigned their automatic milk frother to produce a froth similar to what you'd get in an Italian cafe. In our test, starting with milk right out of the fridge, the froth measured 145 degrees, which is pretty much ideal. Good and hot, but not so hot that the milk loses its sweetness or flavor.
The automatic frother does come with the machine, but if you'd like a little more control, an optional Gaggia Panarella wand or latte art wand works really well with this machine. The Panarella wand does auto frothing, but it gives you a little more control, and the latte art wand gives you complete manual control for finely texturing milk.
Up on top, the Syncrony has a door, which is the bypass doser. This lets you brew from pre-ground coffee, very useful if you need a quick decaf or maybe a flavored coffee. Also, there is a warming surface for preheating cups.
Looking around the machine, you'll appreciate the large 1.7-liter water tank and a bean hopper, which holds about 3/4 of a pound. The dreg box holds the coffee pucks from 12 brewing cycles, and the drip tray is large and it has a pop-up indicator for emptying.
The coffee spouts are height adjustable and push back to accommodate taller cups. The machine is on a Lazy Susan turntable for easy access. The exterior is all plastic.
It really doesn't get any easier than the Gaggia Syncrony. In fact, it's probably one of the very few super automatic machines someone can walk up to and start using without ever looking at a manual.
Easy to use, excellent drinks, proven reliability, fast brew and steam times, large capacities, and simply one of the best values on the market today. It's the updated Gaggia Syncrony Logic RS.
Get it now at wholelattelove.com.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Morgan.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest on everything coffee.
Thanks for watching.
Whole Latte Love is your resource for everything coffee. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for daily updates on new coffee gear, plus hundreds of videos including how-tos, equipment reviews, recipes, expert technical advice, and more.